New for you at noon, more help on the way for those impacted by Hurricane Irma.
Today, American Airlines employees packed up boxes of food for victims of the storm. Local 10 News reporter Leanne Morejon is live at Miami International Airport with the details. Leanne.
And guys, it's amazing what some teamwork can do. Take a look behind me. So many boxes already packed up and ready to be sent out to those that need it the most. Let's take you to some video so you can see all of it in action. This is a volunteer relief event for American Airlines Miami International Airport employees to, of course, help victims of Hurricane Irma. American Airlines teamed up with Feeding South Florida to distribute these items. All of these team members here, they packed up 5,000 boxes of food, and this will all go to people in the Keys as well as the U.S. Virgin Islands and the west coast of Florida. You're about to hear from two of the people who helped to pitch in today, including one man who has family, of course, in Puerto Rico. The American Airlines is also going to do a separate event to help the folks there, and of course his family now understands the pain that some of these people who are going to be helped out today are going through.
Yeah, I have family in Puerto Rico, and I just got in touch with them here the day before yesterday after waiting for quite a few days without hearing anything. I found out they're safe, and that's a blessing, but I know they're in need of food and supplies.
Lost everything here today. I work for American Airlines, been here 34 years, and just volunteering, giving back what I can, you know.
So here's some of the items that are going inside of this box. You have peanut butter, always a crowd favorite. You have milk to go with your cereal right here. Some rice and beans. Right here's the rice, some pinto beans, and a little can of chicken here. So a lot of people that really need this stuff, they're going to be getting it as soon as today, we're told, if not tomorrow. So help is on the way. Reporting live at Miami International Airport, Leanne Morejon, Local 10 News.